In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Notion. Drawing directly inside Notion can be a powerful way to visualize ideas, sketch diagrams, or collaborate creatively, all without leaving your workspace. While Notion doesn't have a built-in drawing tool, you can easily embed an external drawing board and interact with it seamlessly from within your pages. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step, showing you exactly how to set it up so that you can start drawing right away. First, navigate to the location on your Notion page where you want to insert your drawing board. This could be within a project page, a brainstorming document, or anywhere you want to capture your visual ideas. Once you've positioned your cursor, you'll need to create an embed block. To do this, click on the area to bring up the block options. Type / and select embed from the list. The embed block allows you to insert content from any supported online tool, so it becomes an interactive window directly inside your Notion page. After creating the embed block, click on it to insert the embed link. Here, you'll need the URL of an online drawing tool. There are many free options available, such as Sketch.io, AWW app, or Aggie.io. Simply copy the URL of the tool you prefer and paste it into the embed link field inside Notion. Once you click Embed Link, Notion will render the drawing tool directly inside the block. This essentially gives you a fully functional drawing board that you can use without leaving your workspace. Now, you can freely interact with the embedded drawing board, use it to sketch diagrams, take notes, or even collaborate in real time if your chosen tool supports it. All the actions you perform on the board will be visible within Notion, giving you a smooth and integrated drawing experience. You can resize the embed block to fit your page layout, scroll through your notes, or continue working on other content while keeping your drawing accessible. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've added an interactive drawing tool directly inside Notion, making it easy to visualize ideas, plan projects, or illustrate concepts without switching applications. This setup keeps your workflow organized and your creativity flowing in one place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.